going forward saying ngiyeke isikolo ke manje ngiyaphila nje. And then ngathola umsebenzi. The job I was doing was not good.
What was it?
Prostitution.
Is it a job?
And no, really, and online prostitution. I started to have a dream that kept coming back. Every time the dream would come, the dog would come in the dream and do whatever around me. And at the end of this dream, every single time the dog would bite my right hand. Every single time. I had this dream from 2014. Into iyafika kimi ithi fast. Into mezofika ithi faster ngasu wena you cannot tell. Because no, this information is not from me. Okay, ngibuza ukuthi ngifasta nini kanjani. Is the information again ngifasta nini kanjani. Faste first day ngiphupha amabhayi. Ivoice ikhulume ithi lo mndawo wakhabo babakho. Umndawo is one of the marine spirits. Fast for second day amabhayi, third day amabhayi.